Hi and welcome back to another Divine Days dance video. Today we're going to be doing some stretches. Just nice and chill, we're going to be doing floor-based stretches just to help with our mobility. So just make sure your muscles are nice and warm and find a space and we'll get going. So just sitting down, you bring your feet up and just let your knees fall out with your feet together. Butterfly stretch. Now just pushing down with your elbows and leaning forwards. Take one leg on top of the other, walk your hands forward and just hold it there. And roll it up. Other side. That's it, sitting up straight, just cross your legs normally. And just lean your body over to the side. Nice and gentle. Keeping your bottom on the floor. Centre. The other way. Straighten your legs out to the side. Point your toes. Reaching down. And just hold them there. Just bending your legs, one at a time, just nice and small. And just hold again. Flex your feet if you can. Feel the stretch a bit deeper. Take one leg behind you, stretching forwards. Rolling up, and the other one, stretching forwards. Rolling up. Take your legs out into seconds. Stretch your body over. And up. Over to the other side. And for the centre. And over. Centre. Over to the other leg. Just nice and gentle, nothing's forced. Back to the centre. Place your hands in the middle. Just walk your hands out as far as you can and just hold it there. Nothing should be painful. Go into the side on your knees. And push up to downward dog. Try and have straight back legs if possible. If you need to have a slight bend, just bend them. And then just alternate pedaling your legs. That's it, then just hold it with 2 straight legs again. Roll it down. Go back on all fours. Just tap the inside part. Down. Arching. Bring your stomach up. And down. And up. And down. And up. Lying flat. Hands near your shoulders. Pushing up to cobra. That's it, and just hold it there. So your shoulders should be down, you don't want them up and breaking any lines. Just to where you can naturally. If you start forcing it, it's going to start hurting our bodies. And down, push it back, and just hold it there. Very good. Start sitting. Take one leg over the other. Put that arm in front and turn to face the back. A slight rotation of the body. And back to centre. Swap over again. Just go as far out as you can. Very good. And we'll just do our arms to ends. Take one arm over. That's nice and straight. Put it on the forearm. Little stretch here. Very good. Swap on over. Behind your head. And relax. Relax more. Very good. So now just get up nice and slowly. Just pause this music. So that is all for today's stretch class. I hope that's helped with our mobility and got our bodies feeling a bit better. So thank you for now, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.